I'm Violeta Vázquez, and I work at Zabala Innovation as an innovation consultant.
And you, Mateusz?
And I'm Mateusz Wojtusik, and I also work as an innovation consultant in Zabala. I'm in the same team that Violeta. So, if I may start, our role is, firstly, we helped ANEFA and all other beneficiaries to prepare the proposal to submit to the European Commission and just to form the consortium and help them to fulfill the requirements for the approval of this proposal. And once this proposal was approved, we also keep the track with all of the partners, and we helped them to achieve the requirements for the European Commission to commit with the funding. And also, once the funding is implemented, we are helping the coordinators, in this case ANEFA, just to make everything smooth and just to fulfill all of the requirements for this kind of projects for the European Commission.
We are in charge of ensuring that everything that is written in the grant agreement goes well, and in case we have any deviation, we help the coordinator to mitigate those risks or to make amendments with the European Commission and ensure a good communication with the European Commission in all moments of the project. So first of all, I think it's quite important sector to the European Commission. So the mining sector needs to become more sustainable, and the digitalization of a quarry is quite a huge endeavor. And so within the DigiEcoQuarry is already testing in 5 pilots, so it is quite huge project. And for me personally, as a project manager, is quite challenging to manage a project of such many beneficiaries involved, because it's a 25 consortium with 25 members, and it is quite challenging to ensure that everything goes well and the communication among everybody is smooth. And so I think that's the reason why it's important for me.
And for you, Mateusz?
For me personally, this is the first foray in the mining sector as managing a project, so I find everything quite interesting and quite new. And also, it's a very important project for our company, because this is one of the biggest projects that we have ever approved and managed. So it's quite a challenge, and we are very proud to have achieved these objectives. So
the European Commission is looking for reduce the dependence on third countries on raw materials. So it is important that the mining sector becomes more sustainable in order to be more expanded, so the more sites could be open or reopened, so that the European Union can obtain more raw materials from its own. So that's why it's important to research, make more research on the digitalization and less pollutant mining processes.
So I personally think that the European Commission is very interested in achieve digitalization in many different industries, and especially in the mining sector, as the raw material that we are using in this project is the second most used, being after the water. So I think that the application of these kind of tools and the developments of the technologies that we are using in this project can definitely make a huge impact over the mining sector and also over the society in the European Union.